Hello friends, today I am going to Forensic Science paper 2 June 2007 giving to the question answer of the NET JRF based question asked by UGC NET. The paper contains, I am Dr. Anni, the paper contains 50 multiple choice question, each question carrying 2 marks attempt of them. Dying decomposition is a statement of a dying person of oath recorded by the following magistrate. Locard, law of exchange, Galton, fingerprint, Osborne, document, Jeter, forensic ballistic. The following exempted for oral testimony in a court of law except dying declaration. Arrange the following in the proper order of investigation of crime at the scene of crime. Option B is correct. Protection of scene of crime. Fourth, sketching of photography of crime scene. First, collection of clue material. Third, interview of witness. Hydrogen gas is used with the following detector of GLC FID. Exciter filter is used in fluorescence microscope. In high voltage electrophoresis, increasing the voltage applied to the electrophoresis plate extended the separation capability to substances with low molecular weight. Match the following: thin layer chromatography, examination of ink, GLC, examination of petroleum, gel electrophoresis, examination of blood antigen, soft X-ray, examination of painting. As per base pairing rule, which of the following is correct? G, C, D. The fresh blood of DNA fingerprint is collected preferably in EDTA. A mother belong to blood group A and father blood group AB cannot have a child of this blood group. Have O. Ethanol is produced by fermentation of sugar by yeast. Following is the sedative drug diazepam. THC9 is found in the following cannabis sativa. Following is an improvised gun, jeep gun. Arrange the order of proper order. D. Second, burning. 4. Scrutining. Third, tattooing. First, dispersion. A Jorson falling is found in the barrel after firing. Reason are because of presence of gas and unburned paper in the barrel. Both A and R are true. True cylinder in firearm refer to no construction of barrel from muzzle end in shotgun. Dermal nitrate test of GSR is used for detection of following nitrate. Collar mark of the body is found in firing case of at the range of the following 6 inches distance of weapon. Arrange the test method of fiber in the proper sequence. See first morphology, third visual examination, fourth physical examination, second instrumental examination. Match the following: blood, second hemoglobin, semen, third choline, saliva, fourth ammonium thiocyanate, milk, lactose. A clear transparent secretion squeezed out of the nipple of a pregnant woman is known as colostrum. Colostrum. Asbestos seeds is a mineral fiber. Mercerized cotton fiber have twisted shape. Erosion A and skid marks of the vehicle are useful in motor vehicle accident. Reason are because skid marks can determine speed and the size of vehicle. Both A and R are true. For comparison of different samples of soil, the most preferred method is density distribution. Striation tool marks are produced by rifling of firearm. Match the following. Heat baby fracture. Impact side of glass sheet, radial fracture. Opposite side of impact, concentric fracture. Edge of the glass sheet, rib marks. Erased number on metal can be restored by chemical etching. The following material can be examination by density gradient tube method. First, third, and fourth is correct. First is soil, third is paint chip, fourth is cement. As per Krogman's degree of accuracy in sex determination of adult skeleton remain maximum accuracy obtained from single bone is pelvis. Match the following permanent teeth, eruption teeth. First molar 6 to 7 year, canine 11 to 12 year, second molar 17 to 25 year, third molar 12 to 14 year. The lamboid structure of a skull fuses completely by the age of 25 years. The following can be established by the examination of footprint gait pattern. Pubic angle of pelvis girdle is in female is acute angle. Mechanical erasure can be deciphered by the following method: ammonium sulfide. Instrument stem following. Match the following. Comparison microscope, bullet examination, AFIS fingerprint, VSC document, gel electrophoresis, blood antigen. Arrange the following method of latent fingerprint development in proper sequence. Option D is correct. Third, powder developing method. Second, iodine fuming. Fourth, ninhydrin method. First, laser technique. Age of water soluble ink can be determined by the following method. Chloride diffusion of ink. Writing on charged document can be deciphered by the following method: UV photography. After that, due to asphyxia, the left side of heart is congested. Excess of CO2 in blood will depress respiratory center. The hydrostatic test of live birth depend on changes in the specific gravity of lungs. Pathological loss of memory age in Korsakoff of psychosis. The patent fills the gap with purely imaginary event. These fabrication called confabulations. A blood-stained body of a person was found in Bardhana with 4 small wounds on the left temporal side of skull. There was a large inverted and irregular wound on the other side of the skull. A country-made katta, a small 12-bore firearm, was found 4 feet away from the dead body. There was no sign of cadaveric spasm in hand of the deceased. Question 46. The absence of cadaveric spasm in hand and the presence of country-made weapon katta at the crime scene is suggestive of homicidal death. In large converted and irregular size of wound is suggestive of exit wound gun. Question 48 is wrong by UGC. The range of the fire can be determined by dispersion of pellet. The individualization of blood sample can be done by DNA typing. What is the corpus delicti evidence in a case of murder by firearm dead body?